This is the human microwave. You ready? Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go. 3, 2, 1. Wow, that hurt. That hurt a lot. Oh, look at me. Oh, I can see my bones. I'll bring you out, okay? Hold on. Hold on. Almost done. Alright, there you go. You can come out. Oh, that hurt more than I expected. I need to get the healing syringe. How about you go in there and see what's happening? Okay, you don't look too bad. This seems pretty safe. Nothing's really happening. Mike, I didn't tell you to close the door yet. Mike, why'd you put that by the door? Remember the time in first grade when you stole my chocolate milk? Yes. That was my chocolate milk. Wait, Mike, no. Sorry, but actually, no. You took my chocolate milk. Foolish. So foolish. Don't you love watching your rivals burn? Now, don't take my lunch. Opening door. Wait, no. Wait. Closing door. Closing door automatically. Safety failure. Locking door. Sending in manual heater. Body temperature too high. Opening door. Malfunction. Locking door. Opening door. Closing door. Putting manual door opening. Up. Looks like the food's ready. I put this in a long while ago. I don't know what's happening. Let me get it. Hold on. Let me put on my fire booth spray first, okay? Okay. Alright, I'm back. I just had to go use the restroom. Alright. Let me get this. Hey, can I have some? Yeah, let me get my... Hold on. Your turn. I saw a melon and corn over here before, but I don't know where they went. Oh, they're so fruity and like it tastes like vegetables and stuff. I wonder what's in it and who put it in there. It wasn't me, I just came here. I remember putting some food in, they must have taken it out. Anyways, let's keep eating. Yeah.